This video will show you the basics of navigating D2L for your course. D2L is a learning management tool that works as your online classroom. Any virtual component of your coursework that is required outside of your in-person classes will be found in D2L. In D2L, you'll be able to view lectures, any recorded video demonstrations, any text-based readings or handouts, as well as messages from your faculty. You'll also be using D2L to submit assignments, perform quizzes and other assessments, as well as to view your grades and any performance feedback from your instructor. You can access D2L through your Fleming portal. From the dashboard, select the My Courses D2L from the left-hand column. This is your home page for D2L. You'll notice 6 classes posted on the main landing page. If you don't see a course on this page that you know that you're enrolled in, select the grid at the top of the screen. This will release a drop-down menu for all of the classes you're enrolled in. You do have the option to pin which courses you'd like to see on your home page. To the right of the grid icon, you may receive notifications through the bell icon. This icon will highlight when things like an assignment or quiz is due, or will let you know when your grades have been released. If you'd like to receive reminders of upcoming due dates to your phone or email, you can update your notification settings under your profile. To do so, select your name and the notifications from the drop-down menu. From here, you will have a list of what course content you'd like to be updated on and how you'd like to receive that information. You'll have the ability to opt in for notifications on your phone or through email. Examples of notifications that you can receive are when new items are included in your courses, if you have an assignment or quiz due in 2 days, or if there's been a grade released. You can select whether to include or hide your grade in these updates. Choose your notification settings and then select Save. Whenever you'd like to revisit the D2L homepage, you'll select the Fleming College icon on the top left-hand side of the screen. To see the content of a particular course, select that class from the main menu. This is the landing page for MEC 224. You'll notice that there is a news page in the middle of the screen. Some faculty, but not all, may choose to use this space to update you on important information about the course content. Here's an example of another class that does make use of this news feature. To access your course material, you'll select the Resources drop-down menu and then select Content. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of modules that are associated with your class. Each of these modules has content in it for you to review. Sometimes that content is put together by topic, like in this instance where all of your excavator field exercises are collected together. And in other classes, you may see content put together by week, so that all of the content you are to review in the first week of classes can be found under week 1, with week 2 housing the following week's content, and so on. So from this contents page, I'll open a module that has all of my readings, presentations, and assignments for that week. Each link will indicate the file format of the content. If I select the title, it will open the file. Here I can see all of the content that I need to read or complete for this week of classes. If I go to week 2, I can see that there is a video that I need to review for this week, along with a PowerPoint presentation. You'll notice that there are numbers associated with each module. These numbers indicate how many items you still need to read or complete in each module. The numbers will go down as you read each file. A check mark indicates that you've completed all of the content in that module. If you need to submit an assignment for a class, select the Assessments drop-down menu and then select Dropbox. Dropbox is the name of the software that the college uses for assignment submission. In Dropbox, I will see a full list of all of my upcoming assignments. Select the assignment you would like to submit. Select Add a File. Select My Computer. Select Upload. And then select the assignment that you wish to upload. Select Add. And then include any comments you need to your instructor. Then select Submit. When completing an assignment, it's always best to review the rubric before planning out what you're going to submit. A rubric is a scoring guide used by your instructor that indicates what you're being assessed on, gauges that you have succeeded, and the weight of each mark within the assessment. To review your assessment rubric, select the Assessments tab from the home page of your course. Then select Rubric, and then select the assignment. Here you can review what you will be marked on when completing your assignment before submitting. To access your quizzes in D2L, you can select the Quizzes item in the Assessments menu. You'll see your list of quizzes available throughout the semester. Many quizzes will only be open on a certain day for a specific amount of time. Select your quiz. Review the instructions. And then select the Start Quiz button, which will appear at the bottom of the screen when the quiz is open. To access your grades, select the Grades function from the Assessments drop-down menu. If you would like to see an overview of your quiz and assignment due dates, there is a Calendar function in D2L. To access, select the Resources tab, and then select the calendar from the drop-down menu. This will display a calendar that shows all of the assignments and quizzes in a given month. Use this calendar to update any personal time management tools you use at home. There is a way to sync this info with Google Calendar or Outlook. If you use those, reach out to the library or IT for steps on syncing your calendars. Finally, you can review your progress in the class by selecting the Class Progress tab. Here you'll see an overview of your grades, learning objectives, Dropbox submissions, quizzes, and access history. Keep in mind that there are functions in D2L, such as discussions or surveys, that are likely not used in your course, so don't feel overwhelmed if your instructor has not directed you to use these. And that's a quick overview of D2L. If you have any questions or need any technical help with navigating any of our online resources, do not hesitate to contact our IT department at itsupport@flemingcollege.ca.